one in there was a Jolly Rancher. It was 3 centimeters, got my ruler, and I put in a 1/4 cup of vinegar. So, yeah, and I didn't add salt because this is our control group. Let's see what happens in 5 minutes with just vinegar. 3 centimeters. So, I'll be right. It's been in there 4 or 5 minutes. So now, I'm gonna take it out and put it on my paper towel. Let's see if it shrank in size, and no, it didn't. Wait, maybe it did. How about I move my pencil? That might help. Ooh, it did. Cause see, it was 3. Now it's like 2.5. Wow. Ah! It broke. Jeez. So it shrank to about 2.5. All right, nice. That means that it worked. It's like, it was up to here last time. It was up to 3. But then it came down to 2.5. Yeah. Wow. It works. Well, the first one worked. So we're just gonna take our shrunken Jolly Rancher and just now I have a Dum Dum. And what we're gonna do? What are you gonna do with this? So you're gonna put it in the sink. Ta-da! Now, what you're gonna do? You're gonna take your second glass, put it right there, and then your second candy. You're just gonna put it to the side for now, so you don't need it. Take your 1/4 cup, your vinegar, and you're gonna put 1/4 of this in here, and do it over the sink, or else you will make a mess. I should bring the cup over here. I just now realized that. That way I don't make a mess. There's that. And then I have my teaspoon. I have my salt. And you're gonna put a teaspoon of salt in there. Get on the spoon. Get on the spoon. There we go. A teaspoon of salt. And don't stir. Just let it dissolve on its own. And now that it's sticky, now we're gonna measure this. Let's see. First, I want to write down Dum Dum, and then size. And remember, you measure in centimeters. 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 You're measuring in centimeters. Good. Almost dropped that. I'm gonna say it's about 2 centimeters. Yeah, it's 2 centimeters. So, and then, done. And I do not want the stick, so with these scissors, gonna put it above this and let's go to our timer. 3, 2, 1. Please cut. Please cut. Please cut. Please cut. There it goes. And 5 minutes. Gotta wait for 5 minutes. Ayo. Alright. Second one. It's in there with vinegar and salt. I should probably put this cap on. There we go. It is 2 centimeters. And yeah. And this is the last one that we have to do in this glass. So let's see if anything happens to this. Ayo! Let's see if the salt makes a change. 52 seconds. I just realized that I probably shouldn't have a drink near. That is not scientifically safety. I should have goggles on. I should have gloves on. I don't have shoes on. But this, none of this should explode. Right? But still, if you're doing an experiment, you should really have gloves, goggles, shoes, and proper clothes. Don't drink or eat near it. Just saying. Just saying. Got 19 seconds. Okay. Science is fun. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Alright. I have a bigger spoon. And basically, oh. Do you see that? You can't. It looked like it dissolved. Okay, take it out, take it out, take it out. Gonna take it out. Ta-da. And then you're gonna put it on either your choice. Paper towel or foil. And enjoy. Alright. Gonna put this in the sink. The second glass with salt and vinegar. Alright, and now we're going to measure. This is all wet. Ain't that nice? Let's see, it was 2 the last time. It's about 1.5. It shrunk. Huh? I didn't sneeze. I said it shrunk. Ah, this is already open. So it shrunk. It worked. So after 5 minutes in vinegar, it was 1.5 centimeters. So it worked? Huh. Interesting, interesting. And then, sorry. They're hard candy. Alrighty. Hey yo, it worked. Now I have this. This is the last one. It's another type of sucker, and I don't know. Rabanditas? I have no idea what it is, but they do not taste good. These are old Halloween candy. Because I don't normally have candy in my house. So old Halloween candy to save the day. I can't speak. So Rabanaditas. I have no idea how to say that. Then the size, I think I might have to open this one. But we'll not worry about that. Once again, third glass. Just the same procedure. Vinegar. Vinegar. Your quarter cup. Go over to the sink and put a quarter of red vinegar in there. Oh, I forgot to say, yeah, you should be recording your data. If you're doing an experiment, record your data. Okay. So we got that, and then, once again, your teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. I was about to say sugar. No, you are not using sugar. Get on the spoon. We have not 1, not 2, not 3. We have 3 glasses. Okay, pour that in. Alright. I'm gonna screw this shut because I won't be needing it anymore. And then, yeah. Now this, like, I opened it a little. It's melted. It's old. Look how disgusting that is. Ew. Oh yeah, this is gonna go. This is gonna be. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Alright, I do not want my ruler near this, but I have no choice. That's inches. Measure in centimeters. Ew. Just, ew. Okay, it's 2.5. It's 2.5 centimeters. Okay. It's 2.5. 2.5 centimeters. I'm gonna reset my timer. Ew. Ew. It's sticky. Ew. And then, once again, we're gonna take my scissors because there's a stick. We do not want to put the stick in. I don't want to put the stick in. Okay. Cut. 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 Ew. And start. Timer for 5 minutes. Okay, that was just disgusting. I'm gonna make sure it's lying in there. Okay, that's just disgusting, but it looks like it's working right now because it shrinks. Like the Jolly Rancher went from 3 centimeters to 2.5. The Dum Dum was 2 centimeters, and then it went to 1.5. And now this thing, have no clue how to say it, is 2.5 centimeters. And let's see what happens in 5 minutes. Ayo, but it's working. Ayo. Video. Ugh. Oh, I should probably throw this away. Alright, so got 15 seconds. It was 2.5 centimeters. That is what it looks like. To be honest, I just dropped my pen. Oh, it stopped. I need to remember that doesn't actually make a noise. So, take my spoon. Oh dear Lord, I don't think I want to touch this. Ew, 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 ew. I don't know which way I measured it. I'm pretty sure I measured it that way. That looks so disgusting. Alright, ruler. Yes, ruler. Centimeters. It was 2.5. Right? Oh, it did shrink, did it? It did. See? It was at 2.5. Now it's at 2. I'm measuring, ew, I can't believe I touched that. I'm measuring more right here. So it shrunk to 2. Wow. So it worked. Five. And salt. I should write that down. It's at 2 centimeters. Well, looks like it worked. So, conclusion, I wrote this down. I'm gonna read it off. So, the purpose of this experiment was to see what would happen to different types of candy if we put it in salt and vinegar. First, I tried the Jolly Rancher and just a 1/4 cup of vinegar without the salt. I measured the size of candy before putting it in, and I measured 3 centimeters. And after 5 minutes of it soaking in the vinegar, I took it out of the cup and measured 2.5 centimeters. The candy shrunk. Yay! We did the same thing to the Dum Dum and Rebana Detox Lollipop. I have no idea how to say that. Except I added a teaspoon of salt into the vinegar. The Dum Dum I measured beforehand was 2 centimeters, but when I took it out after 5 minutes, it was 1.5 centimeters. Same thing can be said for the Rebana Detox Lollipop. I measured 2.5 centimeters before putting it in. Then after 5 minutes, it shrunk to 2 centimeters. And I said that the experiment didn't really support my hypothesis. And yeah, while the Dum Dum and the Lollipop, they did shrink after I put it in with the vinegar and the salt. The same thing happened to the Jolly Rancher when I just put it in there without the salt. I put it in there just with the vinegar, without the salt, and it still shrunk. So, I don't think it really supported my hypothesis. Because, yeah, maybe it was all just the vinegar's doing. Maybe the salt did nothing. So, yeah, but this was fun anyways. Yay, science! Ayo, science! I am so weird.